Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh, we gonna rock down to come on, possibly the best race of the night right here, Jared.
I was going to say, do you think there's a little pride on the line here? Jimmy Lewis has ridden every single bike known to man. The guy's been on the podium at the Dakar Rally, raced the big BMWs with Ken Langdown, and of course, Bro Daddy, Supercross man. He's been everywhere, Motocross. It's kind of funny to watch it not here in the north. What do you guys think?
Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh, we gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Who is to blame in what country? Never can get to the one. Dealing in multiplication, and they still can't feed everyone. Oh no, we gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh no, we gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh.